begin.
Hello everyone, today project is automatic position reaction system. So let's see how the system work. So these are our devices. This is a receiving device which has a video display as well as a LCD monitor and a OLED display. On a video display we get the video output of these devices, and coordinates and positioning we are getting on LCD and OLED display. So let's have a little overview of how our system work. So suppose there are two moving devices, okay, like it is a moving device, and on a mechanical there is a mechanical structure on top of it. So we don't know what is the positioning of the system. So what we are doing, we are placing two compasses in this device. It can be a moving vehicle or a device, and is a moving platform it can be, or here also video system on this device. So how does device work? We are getting the heading of this device with respect to the moving vehicle. Wherever the moving vehicle is pointing or device is pointing, we will always get the reference of this device. Like this is the, suppose we have placed the device, this is the forward of the device, this is the forward of the device. Wherever the vehicle is moving, we will always get the coordinates in degrees, like 0 to 360 degree, as well as if the device was pointing forward, so we get the forward output. If it's pointing back, we get the back output. We get left output and right output. So we are basically getting the coordinates of the system, and through these devices we are automating a mechanical structure. So if any big structure we cannot automate it, so with help of this device you can get automation of the system at very economic cost. So let's see the functioning of our device. So first we have to power on these devices. So this is a transmitter. Suppose this device is on this device, wireless connection, okay, both are wirelessly connected. Let's turn on the device. So we are applying 12 volt supply to both these devices. This one has Bluetooth module and this one has a video transmitter with a camera, and let's power on this device. So we can get the camera output, you can see. You can get video output on this monitor. As well as these both Bluetooth are paired, we are getting a heading of the device, like you can see. Okay, you see the coordinates which device is pointed to. Suppose this is the system is work like this. So is the forward, you're sitting in a vehicle, you're getting output, and this device is pointed like this. So you can see if I move this device, you get output like this. This is a OLED display, clock display, graphical display, and left right movement. You can see both devices straight forward, you will get almost 0 in front. Through the system you can automate any devices at efficient cost. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗵𝗃𝗺𝗃, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. 𝗩𝗃𝗺𝗃 has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.